ਦੀ ਮਾਫੀ ਕੁਝ ਸਮਾਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੀ। Today's ਹੁਕਮਨਾਮਾ is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib. Hukamnama is placed on Ang 549 in Dhan Dhan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Guru Maharaj has composed the Gurbani in Rag Bihagda, which provides the sedative mood, very, very intoxicating melody. It's beautiful. It surpasses all the worldly players. A sense of the Shabad helps us to realize Vaheguru's beautiful drama. In today's Shabad, Dhan Dhan Guru Amar Das Ji Maharaj, third embodiment of Dhan Dhan Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, reveals that Akal Purakh Vaheguru owns the whole creation. Earth, moon, sun, planets, this universe and all the other universes. Vaheguru has knowledge of managing these universes and is managing with perfection. Vaheguru sustains everyone. Those living beings which are inaccessible, they are in the water. We don't feed them. But Vaheguru has provided their sustenance before they were even born, before they were created. Similarly, plants, rocks, mountains, ocean, all are under Vaheguru's control. Ji Jant Sab Teriya. Ji Jant means all the living beings, all the creation. It all belongs to you. Tu sabna ras Vaheguru, you sustain all of them. Jisnu dehe tis sab kich mila. Koi hor shareek nahi tud paas. No one is your shareek. Shareek means equal. No one can compare with you how amazing, great, compassionate you are, how wise you are, how intelligent you are. No one can compare. To whom you bless with your darshan, with your union, with your merger, that person only can attain the merger. But once merger is attained, there is no shortage in that person's life. Guru Maharaj reveals in the Bani, ਜਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਆ ਮੋਹ ਚੰਦਾ ਤੁਧ ਸਭ ਕਿਛ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੌਂਪਿਆ ਜਾਂ ਤੇਰਾ ਬੰਦਾ. Vaheguru, I'm your banda, I'm your slave. You have given me everything. Lakhmi tot na avai, khai kharch rahanda. I have no shortage of the lakhmi, the wealth. I'm spending it, it never finishes. But I'm your banda. I'm using your wealth, the wealth blessed by you, to serve you. There's no shortage. If you look at Guru Nanak Dev Ji's life, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj did 5 udasiyan, 5 missions, missionary trips. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj never asked for funding from anyone. It amazes me. You know, when we go on holiday, we pack our suitcases. We make sure our food is arranged, accommodation is arranged. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj went as far as Russia, China, Makkah, he went to Kabul. And there is evidence Guru Maharaj also came to Rome. Guru Maharaj never booked any accommodation. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj never took any money with him, because he is one with Vaheguru. There is no shortage. Resourceful. So Guru Maharaj reveals that Akal Purakh Vaheguru, you are amazing. Jis de tud bhavai, tis di tu man leh so jan sabas, tu ekko data samajhta. Vaheguru, You are the only giver to everyone. No one else. So there's an inspiration, there's a hint why we should beg from anyone else besides Vaheguru. The formless Vaheguru is resourceful. And those who unite with Vaheguru, they become resourceful. Akal Purakh Vaheguru, जिस दे तुद भाव है, if you approve someone's bhakti and service, this de tu man leh, whatever that person says comes true. So Jan Sabas, and that Jan, that humble servant, is Sabas means blessed, is so fortunate. Nanak Gyani Jag Jita Sab Koi. Now Guru Maharaj describes, you are pleased on the Gyani. Gyani means who have realized the Shabad within their body. Surt te Shabad da mel ho gaya. So Guru Maharaj reveals, people can praise you just by listening to your praises. But how great you are, people can realize only when they have their darshan, when they have your darshan. Sun vadda akha sab koe, kevad vadda dita hoye. How vadda, how amazing, how great you are, one can only find when someone experiences you. And those people who have experienced Vaheguru, they are Gyani. So Guru Maharaj reveals in the Bani, Antar Gyan na ayo jit kit soji pae, vin dittha kya sa lahi hai, anda and kamaye, nanak shabad pashaniya, naam vase mane aaye. As soon as you have realized the Shabad, you have obtained Vaheguru's Naam. Naam means Vaheguru's wisdom, Vaheguru's strength, Vaheguru's qualities. Now you represent Vaheguru. So whatever you say now comes true. Nanak Das, Mukh Tejo Bolad, Iha, Uha, Sach Hova. Baba Buddha Ji, supreme example. Mata Ganga Ji, who is wife of Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, wanted to have a son. This is the power of Gurbani, uniting with Akal Purakh Vaheguru, having your Surt connected to the Shabad, because Shabad is powerful. Shabde hi nao upajai, Shabde mel milaya. From the Shabad comes to you the qualities of Akal Purakh Vaheguru, wisdom of Akal Purakh Vaheguru. Baba Buddha Ji, to cut the story short, said to Mata Ganga Ji, you will get a son who will eradicate the evil, who will be a great warrior, who will be a great saint. And Sat Sangat Ji, result was Tan Tan Guru Hargobind Sahib Maharaj, Sache Paatshah, Miri Piri de Malak. Now Baba Buddha Ji said these words, they came true. Nanak Das Mukh Tejo Bola, Iha, Uha, Sach Hova. So Guru Maharaj reveals in today's Hukamnama, Jis de tud bhav hai, tis de tu man leh. Jede tere das kende hai gal, o tu man lana. Whatever your humble servants say, you accept their wishes. You fulfill their desires. You make their words come true. So they are true Gyanis, but on the other hand, they are people who are Agyani. Agyani means ignorant, without knowledge. They haven't seen you. They haven't realized you. What is the nishani? Manmukh mullo pulayan vich lab lob ahankar. Although they seem to be practicing religious customs, doing everything right on the face, but inside them there is ego, there is greed. That's Agyani. Any person who says, you haven't given me enough money, or is greedy, is fighting, always arguing, that person is a manmukh, according to Gurbani. Chagda kardeyan andin gudra, day and night, they pass their life arguing about. Nothing. Small things. Shabad na kare vichar, they never contemplate on the Shabad. But on the other hand, Sat Sangat ji, they are Gurmukhs who are connected with Vaheguru. They are calm, they accept what Vaheguru says to them. Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, when he was approached by Akal Purakh Vaheguru, Akal Purakh Vaheguru asked Guru Gobind Singh Ji to come to the earth, eradicate the evil and save the saints. Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, who was doing bhakti in his past life, said, I do not want to go on the earth. But Akal Purakh Vaheguru passed the order that I am going to delegate you all the power, all the wisdom, and I will make you my own son and send to the earth. You have to do this act. You have to fulfill this duty. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj came to this earth. Bhagat, the humble servants, they accept Vaheguru's hukum. They can communicate with Vaheguru. And this is the beauty of Gurbani. So carry on doing the vichar of Gurbani so that one day we can realize who we are. अपना मूल पहचान लिए, मन तू जोत स्वरूप है, अपना मूल पहचान, मन हर जी तेरे नाल है, गुरमती रंगमान, भुलां चुकां दी माफ़ी, प्यार नाल फतेह सांझी करनी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु।